Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust video speed on CapCut. So first of all, go ahead and open up the CapCut. And let's say that I'm going to go ahead, if you want to create a new project, go ahead and click the plus button at the top, or in my case I have already projects, so I'm going to open up this project for example, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to see this is the video appearing in front of me, right? Now, in order to adjust the speed of that video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on the video and I'm gonna move to the part that I want to adjust that speed. If you have a specific part, right? If it was first 10 seconds, first 15 or 20, whatever it might be, just go ahead and to, let's say this is the 7 seconds, click split right here, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna get back to the first part of this video and click on the first part right here. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna see many tools right here at the bottom. Click on the speed right here, and you can click on normal right here, and basically can adjust the speed to the way that you actually want, right? If you move to the right, you're gonna make the speed a little bit faster, right? But if you move to the left, you're gonna make the video slower. So just accordingly, you can move to the right to speed it up, or move to the left to slow it down. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.